Welcome back to Smart Carpet channel. Today you will learn more about the three kinds of odds that are popular among Southeast Asian players. Let's start with Hong Kong odds. Hong Kong odds are very similar to decimal odds. The only difference is decimal represents return amount when sum of stake multiplied by odds, while Hong Kong odds represent amount of net profit. For example, the Hong Kong odds 0.32 corresponds to decimal 1.32, 1.0 corresponds to 2.0, and respectively 3.1 corresponds to 4.1. The next type is Indonesian odds. At its core, the Indonesian odds is a modification of American odds. If you take any American odds and divide it by 100, you get an appropriate Indonesian odds. For example, Indonesian odds minus 1.25, this is the American odds minus 125. Indonesian plus 2.75, equivalent to American plus 275, and so on. Who doesn't know how an American odds is calculated? You may study it by watching separate video linked below in description to this video. The last kind of wager price is Malaysian odds. It has two definitions. The first for odds with minus sign, for example, minus 0.5 or minus 0.65. The second for odds with a plus sign, plus 0.3 or plus 0.45. The value of Malaysian odds is always less or equal to 1. Here, as in case with American and Indonesian odds, is distinction for positive and negative odds, occur depending on ratio of bets value to a net profit. However, in Malaysian odds, everything is exactly the opposite. A minus sign indicates that an expected net profit is greater than stake. It indicates how much money you need to place for getting net profit of $1. For example, a wager price of minus 0.5 indicates that stake of $0.5 in case of correct prediction will be obtained a net profit in amount of $1. Return amount will be $1.5. A plus sign, respectively, tells us that expected net profit less than the stake. It shows the value in units of net earnings at stake of $1. So, plus 0.75 ratio tells us that stake of $1, and if forecast correct, net profit will be received in amount of 75 cents. From here, the return amount will be $1.75. Plus, it indicates that the stake is higher than net profit. So, now you studied all types of odds and can use any betting line for maximize your profit. If you have questions, write below and I'll help you to sort out. Subscribe to Smart Carpet channel, put huskies, and you will learn a lot of useful information about sports betting. See you soon.